In this video, I'll show you how to test the Modbus Poll using TCP IP to Sungrow Logger. Once the connection are ready, let's do the connection at Modbus Poll. Step 1. Click Connection and select Connect. The connection will be TCP IP. The response timeout and delay between polls can let it default. Set the IP address the same as the logger. For this case is 12.12.12.12. Set the port to 502 as the default as the logger. Step 2. Click Setup and select Read-Write Definition. Set the slave ID the same as the forwarding Modbus ID. Next, set the function to 04 read input registers. We will try to poll the Phase A, Phase B and Phase C voltage. In the Modbus document, the Phase A voltage is 5019. However, in Modbus Poll, you need to subtract 1. So I will put 5018. And the quantity, I will put 3, so that I can poll until Phase C voltage. For the display, set it to unsigned, then click OK. Next, you can compare with the real-time values. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Sungrow tips and solar troubleshooting videos.